Good news. Today I'm going to show you, even though you do not know any coding, you can create apps to help you boost your productivity. Now, this is Microsoft Power Apps. Okay. It used to be you need to know some coding to use this, but right now it has built-in AI. Yeah. So all you need is put in your problems. Like here, I need my staff to check out equipment. Okay, be notified of due dates, and these are some of the suggestions. So all you need is just type in your problems, yeah, and what do you how do you want to use it, and then it will helps you step by step or guide you step by step how to build it. Now I already built one here, yeah. I mean just a demo one, okay, on how to create a quotation and convert it to invoice when the sales is successful. So let me click on here. I can see that this is the business problem. Yeah, it's actually the prompt that I key in. Yeah, on the first page there. And then the rest of it, you can see the purpose of this plan is all written by the AI. Now, I do not go and modify it at all. I just want to show you the capability of using AI without modifying. And it even gives you all the write up like user requirements, okay, for client, how to use it. And then after that, if you agree, you just click yes, continue, and then it will comes and build the database, right? This is the data model. And then later on, you will create the apps or the user interface and the flow, right? So these are the user interface, okay, like quotations, invoice, desk. Means that this is the desktop like user interface for you to key in all your quotation, who is your sales exec, and so on. Now we see this purple means that I already built it. Yeah. Now, here, I do not build it yet. All you need is just that once it's generated for you, if you're okay with all this, all you need is just click here. You see, all right, comes over here and click create. Now you can see here, or you can move over here and then you can see that, right? You can click create right over here too. Now, once you click create, it will take some time. It's around maybe 10-15 minutes, or you can drink your coffee and it will do all the job for you. Yeah. Now it's considered fast rather than you build it from scratch on your own. Yeah. Even though it's 10-15 minutes, the so-called wait. So let me go in here and then edit and show you how the interface looks like. Okay, right now I'm going to show you this is the interface, right? So you will see all this that you can key in like sales exec, clients, quotation, and so on. All right, over here, this is mine. Yeah, you can go in here and then you can just edit it. Yeah, and phone number you want, right? So then you can just save it. Okay, all save and close. Right. So you can see right over here, and as well as you have a quotation, like all this quotation, you can key in. It even give you samples, right? These are all samples, okay? Clients, yeah. So these are all sample data. You want to have a look, just click on it. You can see all this data in it, correct? And then so right over here, you can see that, and then there's some I already play around with that, yeah. So let's say, for example, here you have a client name, you can click on it, or you can just search. Okay. So you can just go in here and then you can put in, right? Save and close. So you can see right over here. Yeah. So now you can create all this. Yeah. And it actually created automatically for you. I have not added anything at this moment. Yeah. So because this is just a demo, and then it tells you all the function in the client module right over here, what it can do. It has a quotation module, what it can do, and so on right over here. Right. So how cool is that, right? So now my challenge to you is go and try it out and test it out and let me know how it helps you. Yeah. To make your job easier and automate the things. That's the power of using AI today. then you do not need to know all the codings. Okay. Of course, you may need to just go in and edit and tell it that, hey, I want to change this and that. You're most probably able to do that for you. All right. So leave a feedback or comments below. What do you think of this new capability in Microsoft Power Apps? Would you want to use it? By the way, I'm Andrew, and you find that this video is useful to your colleagues or friends, do share with them too. Yeah. If you like this type of video, do subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that every week when we publish new content, you'll be notified. And if you have any question, do leave it in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you. I'll see you real soon in my next video.